Relative pronouns are words that connect clauses or phrases to nouns or pronouns. The word whom is a relative pronoun used for people in the object position. It is formal and refers to the person being acted upon in a sentence. The pronoun whom replaces words like him, her, or them when used as the object. It is used as the object of verbs or prepositions. Remember, it is formal and only used for people. To decide if you should use whom, try replacing the word with him, her, or them. If this sounds correct, then whom is the right pronoun. For example, in the question, whom did you see, we can replace whom with him. So, whom is correct. Whom is used after prepositions when referring to people. For example, you say to whom did you speak, where whom is the object of the preposition to. It is always correct to use whom after prepositions in formal English. Whom is used as the object of action verbs. For example, in the sentence, whom did you meet, the word whom is the direct object receiving the action of meeting. Use the him or her test to confirm. Whom can also be used as an indirect object, meaning the person who receives something. For example, in the question, whom did you give the book to, whom is receiving the book. This usage is also formal. Use whom as the object of verbs, prepositions, and indirect objects when referring to people. Remember the him, her, or them test for correctness. Whom is formal English and is used mainly in writing and formal speech.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.